Hello and welcome to the next video in a series of how-to videos for Arteco. In this video we're going to explore how to license a LPR camera. So the first thing that you'll do is go to your email and you will see a message that looks like this telling you that your license is ready to be installed. It'll have your camera model number, camera serial number, and a license key that we'll use to license. And the first thing you're going to want to make sure to do is read the instructions carefully, make sure that you've set the date and time on the camera correctly, and that you also have the correct firmware version. You also want to download the Firefox Extended Support Release, so make sure that you have Firefox and you're accessing the camera using Firefox. And then you can go ahead and decide which app you're going to install. So for box cameras, you'll choose the No Crop app, and for bullet and dome cameras, you'll choose the Crop app. For my purposes, I'm actually going to be using the box app because my camera is an XNO 6120R, and it has a good enough varifocal lens and good enough optical zoom to be able to use exactly what's in the camera image rather than having to digitally zoom like what the Crop app does. So I've downloaded the No Crop app, and I'll head over to my Firefox, and I will click this ellipses button here, choose the app that I unzipped from the link, and click open, and then I'll click install. And you will see a message here saying that it'll activate the SD card function, so click OK. And then once the application's installed, then you can go ahead and set its priority to either medium or high, and then set it to auto start, hit apply, and then we can go ahead and start the app. So now that the app is running, we can click Go App to open the app up in a new tab. And you'll see here the camera image is displayed below, and it'll prompt us to provide a license key, and that license key is what we received here in the email. So we'll copy this over, paste it right there, and click enter. And then you'll know that it worked once you see the license key valid message right here, and then you're ready to go with starting to read plates. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video for LPR, we're going to explore how to navigate the license plate recognition app and give some best practices on installations. Thanks. Bye-bye.